Hey guys, it's Jacob here from Just Jeeps, and today I'm going to speak to you about frame and body restoration parts. There are multiple options for frame and body restoration parts, so how do you know which ones to choose? I'm here to talk to you about auto rust technicians and KeyParts. Here we have a front trailing arm mount from a Jeep Wrangler TJ. This unit is made by auto rust technicians and is CNC cut from heavy gauge steel. It is then bent and precision welded to fit your vehicle. To install a piece like this on your Jeep, you would have to sandblast your frame, cut out the portion of your frame with the rust spots, and install this new section from Auto Rust Technicians, and you'll be good to go for the next 20 years. Here we have a KeyParts floor pan for a Jeep Wrangler JK. This unit is made from heavy gauge steel and is CNC cut to fit your vehicle specifications exactly. KeyParts offers complete vehicle coverage for rust and collision panels. These panels are designed to replicate exact OEM fitment and offer increased coverage versus competitors. Painted products are offered and shipped in advanced black EDP coating, where chrome products are triple nickel chromed to the highest quality. Always think KeyParts for your fender, floor pan, and rust repair needs. They offer amazing quality and a wide range of coverage for vehicles such as Jeep Wrangler CJs, YJs, TJs, and JKs. They cover the whole lineup. Feel free to call in or check us out online when you're ready to get your Jeep back in roadworthy condition. Just Jeeps is one of KeyParts and Auto Rust Technicians' exclusive retailers here in Canada, and we know how important it is to get your Jeep back on the road, so we always keep these products in stock. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you enjoyed, please like, follow, and leave a comment down below to let us know how we did. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.